Okay. Robuyane pa katafura liulwane the Higher Table podcast rihane pa no hud rekadiba hane parushaka ni uhuru wa varudoni mwanisa varoi jacuzzi taba ya mifa isakabe zinoni no kaba megwite na micherere ya rubide luchiko gobera jambira luchiko fukuzera ni taba ya midori kachanga changa chaula hapa noni rina stanza vupape ndi manenje wa gono musina ndeve achivona danda la musimbiri ndi vana achiteveli vatevelela vachiyo
ole dukura mera ole tumamba matamba Yodo mama matamba nelidifilo
ndi mdulu wa tenda muzimu matamba halimutu
ezizwe erdeziyamba tumura kailo erta twamba lelo matamba na lelo ngaridumela kana amasizai tumwezi kurwa neziba na play inebari ndi bene bari la kai auna timu ine abori aina hola mtu anafundwa vumu hola ana bari wachisana contract kai ababuzo fikara afit udra ni 70% ya gain
Messi otowasula okupaka Coca-Cola ushikene pala France ka Ligue 1 PSG just number 8 nakare PSG since it has regiwa ngama Arab ila league it has been a farm league so Messi osika pala ka PSG ina Mbappe ina Neymar udetembele
ndi varara ngohangwa na Sahel
udetembele I got the winner
nemara zvimwe zvine ndakuzvivona iyi ndiko uvona ngari timu ikova star studded but kazimwe zazitimu uva star studded ha timu azvivi zvichingapfi zvikohindara performance ya timu ndokuzvivona nakaligeni yapano timu mwe star studded and then vakuita zvakudi ngamana so zviamba uri hei itopi the shift of balance of power ichikoyafura zviamba uri rikudarira ngamanda fura
zvena mudasane pone ndizvona chinchipingai una ufuna mufunzi ndoro pasa tsumbo na ori ndobva unofuna mufunzi fumininga ngachikaraka akauliwa arotoma yawe udaona vatowi
vatuwa vaya vamutevere
zvotote nakabora zvotorao ngazvambobva murao vanga voronaldo ronaldino
azongotova ngeno ka fraternity ya pano South Africa unara kuchira mara ngahange so the individuals
so
your priority.
yes but the thing is my opinion is that if Messi over that team Barcelona I join that team in Spain I think I don't know. Because the subject here as followers. It's very easy if you go to another country to follow you. You can favorite teams that's 100. Yeah, I know. I don't know. So, Arabo join and rival maybe a Madrid can then I think that rather go get the way another one.
Okay.
Let's go the league straight as you know.
Okay.
Yeah, France.
Okay.
France Caligua, Georgie. As don't they mandar to man, since Yelama Froze was a Jawuni, Majawun, Mama Arab. PSG yes to tambela yote hapana vitu right now they have Messi zweni kodwa zwifaka veiwe ndizwa uri now you have Mbappe, you have Messi, you have Neymar, you have Sergio, even though there was no problem at the back. What I'm trying to do, what's going to happen to that league? Because in the league,
ine yaba uri iko yo uba uri mini iko yo udominatiwa nga timu ine yaba uri ndiya PSG
which already dominated.
Yes. Zvino mara ndina mumbudziso before tingari realipendere ili bungu. Ndingabudzisa kachanza changa chaula na chanza changa changa monde. Ndari ezvi zvauri namusinga uri Lionel Messi ono joina ngange mafura unga ninge ndisi Eiffel Towers right. Zvingava zviko unyaga urusumbedzisa uri rine riko yobona French 1 kama bona kude ufana na zvimwe zvezvitu zvezvaita uri ribone Serie A kama bona kude nge Cristiano Ronaldo ayela ngange naka Messi zvidoto ralo na
awara ngilithomanga khona
Okay.
Karanga compare between Serie A nangangi for shiyanga vatambi vene va uri baba ndibone va kupfana na mushishipinga ka era murahu ho na generation ine ya uri va swika vararu vana vatambi vana dumu zvino bema tose za vakara za Messi na Ronaldo kwangwa ka varinyishi beme
Mbappe Kylian Mbappe
so hava ndibone bo Joe ndibone ndibone ba nthaisa ne ngamba
Okay. Abara let's mfulula
atambapindule mara kandi kamsi ndingapindule yangapindule inengapanga pano zari zichitangana
the answer is no. Multi-choice going to Atlantic and they don't even intend to do a deal with French one.
Multi-choice DSTV.
Yes. Multi-choice DSTV.
Yes.
I won't go try with agreement. Maybe along the way. But but if you were to compare with what happened with Ronaldo, move Ronaldo to Serie A. I think to la finale Champions League. Madrid win Champions League. So it was already there. Everybody knew that Ronaldo was.
Then there was consensus.
So it was not necessarily consensus. It was easy for the multi-choice to start to negotiate for a contract.
To negotiate.
The Messi saga just happened 2 weeks ago.
It was contemplated.
Yes.
Contemplated.
It was FNG and multi-choice of South Africa when vatorenga vaswichela kazi tivachita vaswitisa dzipackage so vagocheka that part, but I think we are going to watch into in a very near future, maybe next season.
Ngapuri zvazvino I can say it in good authority.
This season or mid-season kana next season.
Not mid-season because ezi zintu ziva zikoteyo kutoma yela it was contemplated. And arinakerenga apa noni huna limwe pungo keli liko pisa ngamanda keli noni nga hapa la chakuma miumvani chama zibandira na pungo keli ovuya masala mlauzi kasi atari obia an official statement. Ari TTM chakoma chama zibandira chikovuya ndachivona ka Glad Africa chorenga status cha Royal AM hai mapungu ndikonya kuombela utori ndido aposa kachanda changa chaula na aposa na kachanda changa chamonde zvichiri kunda ritodova rabuzana mumwe we avachidiva hone ari virise apa uri aya mapungo ana vungo vungapani hone hu ḓo itea mini nga Royal AM ndo ḽi vhea ṱafulani kha tshanḓa tshanga tsha monde kha tshanḓa tshanga tsha uḽa a si phunge
lena ko ḽiamba ḽone ri ḓo ḓi ḽi dzhena nga vhutsiluni naho zwiṅwe ri sina vhuṱanzi nazwo zwe ra pfha zwone na zwine ra nga ri ḓivha zwone naho ri sina vhuṱanzi nazwo zwa uri vha TTM vho renga status tsha
Royal AM Mamkis
then ubva hanefho ava va Royal AM yone vha kha ḓi vha na case ine vha pending yori vhone vha dzi champion dza Glad Africa mundi ya uri vha khou renga status tsha Bloemfontein Celtic ine ya vhori Bloemfontein Celtic na ane na mathada ayo ya masheleni Max Chabalala tshelede ine a i wana ine ya bva kha PSL enough kha zwikodo zwine a vhori u nazwo
Let me come in here.
kha tshanḓa tshanga tsha monde
We have it on good authority that the deal is done. It's as good as done.
Which one?
Both deals. Both you have to specify.
Okay. Both deals. The purchase of status from Royal AM to TTM. Am I wrong? Am I right?
We have it on good authority that both deals that you just made
are concluded.
Zote they as good as done. On Tuesday, we invite you ka Zoom ngaba PSL bana press conference bada bakhamba mabili mararu mawubare legal matters bada mahorenzo as team and then nga Tuesday ndiyakhona rote roba 100%. But we have it on good authority that the deal has been done.
If I may ask, Karuri, the way now Kujemba mana confidence the deal is done or both deals are done. Uko determine the players Celtic.
No,
ezo ndizitu zvine
No, I just want to know.
Okay kanji ezo zvitu zvodoweleyawo
No, I was not
ndizvitu zvodoweleyawo yono ḓiṱuwa free set stars yono ḓiṱuwa real stars hezwo zvauri vatambi hu ḓo itea mini ngavho we both know uri hu itea mini.
No, what I'm saying is that I know that Celtic they still have this case of not signing players.
Just allow me to come in. Okay. The issue of players and all those stuff. I think is not around. Most of the contract bar or the previous person of that. But the most interesting part here, they already mean there is still a pending case in a Supreme Court of Appeal, if I'm not mistaken.
Royal.
So if Royal AM can win that case, Zukombo Chakuma Shabazan will win the PSL.
And then Riamba Orimini bo relinquisha appeal yabo. Okay, ngaruambo lwa mumwe na mumwe ane avachitaratani rikonya golivhala nga hendira. Rigolivhala nga hendira. Ndi zwa uri arali Royal AM yaringa khatulo ichi winner. yote taba ya mifa isakabe zinoni watu wote voshaba mara umokeli lo sana keli wachanda chamonde olisimbezisa uri hu ḓo itea mini arali uri hava va Royal AM vasvika vahwina fhungo lavo vono rengisa status chavo to Chakuma cha Mazivandlela zviamba uri Chakuma cha Mazivandlela chiko jena nga PSL by default nda
But since I know this boy,